Hey everybody, I have another book for you today. This one is called The Turkey Train. The Turkey Train. Wake up, Betty, Bill, and Jane. Get ready for the turkey train. Buy your tickets in Fort Wayne, all aboard the turkey train. Feathers ruffled? Don't complain. Find your seat on the turkey train. I wonder where they're going. By afternoon, we'll be in Maine. Off we go on the turkey train. Games and puzzles for your brain. Make new friends on the turkey train. What kind of things do you like to do to keep busy on a long train ride or a car ride? I always like to read to keep my mind busy. Gobble, gobble, tasty grain. Time for lunch on the turkey train. Outside the window, pouring rain. Warm and snug on the turkey train. So even though it's cold and rainy outside, they're nice and warm and cozy in the train. Rock and rollers entertain. Sing and dance on the turkey train. Stopping now near Lake Champlain. Don't be late for the turkey train. Over mountains, through the plain, lots to see on the turkey train. The engineer applied the brakes. The turkey train slowed down. From her window, Betty said, "We're here. I see the town." The turkey train stopped at last. The doors all opened wide. Turkeys large and turkeys small quickly raced outside. Turkeys skating, turkeys skiing, sledding down a hill. Turkeys having snowball fights. Oops, one just hit Bill. Have you ever had a snowball fight? I love snowball fights. Can't turn the page. The turkeys played all afternoon until the sky grew black. "We've had so much fun," said Jane, "but now we must go back." The turkeys were all in their seats. No one could complain, 'cause everyone was fast asleep on the turkey train. The end.